Namaste everyone. Today I am launching the OpenAI Codex Hackathon, and this exclusive hackathon is brought to you by namastedev.com in partnership with OpenAI. So in this video, I'm going to cover all the details about this hackathon, the timelines, the guidelines, the rules and regulation and everything. So if you are a software engineer, if you are a product manager, if you are an AI enthusiast, or you are anyone who is interested in building into AI, or solving some pain points using AI, then you are welcome in this hackathon. Build your ideas, make it to the real world. If you have any idea, bring it to life, build a real product out of it and submit it to us, and you get an exciting chance to win a lot of cool and exciting prizes that we have got for our winners. So this is an amazing opportunity. Let me brief you through all the details about this hackathon now. So this is the website that you can go and check out all the details on. I will put the link in the description below. And let me also go through all of this one by one, slowly. So this is an online hackathon, so you can participate from anywhere in the world, and the registration fees is what? It is zero. So you can participate free of cost. There is no registration fees. Anybody and everybody can participate into our online hackathon. You can participate solo, or you can also participate in teams. So if you are an individual who have an idea you want to work on, please work on it and submit it to us. If you want to work in a team, so you can get maximum 3 people in a single team, and your whole team together can work on an idea and submit it to us. That also works. Now the registration starts from 15th of July, my dear friends. So registration starts from 15th of July and the duration is 4 days. So you will get 4 days to work on your ideas. So 15th, the registrations will start. So you will get 16, you will get 17, you will get 18th and 19th of July, where you can build your projects and submit it to us. So in 18th and 19th are Saturday and Sunday. So you can spend your whole weekend into building these products and submitting it to us. All the timings and the timelines that you will see on our website are IST, in Indian Standard Time. So if you are from outside India, then be mindful of these timelines. Okay, so now the top prize is up to worth rupees 5 lakh rupees. So it's an amazing prize that we can come up with. There will be a lot of goodies. There will be a lot of amazing things. I will discuss everything as we go ahead in this video. So if you have an idea, you want to bring it to life and submit it to us, you get a chance to win a lot of cool, prizes with us. Now you have to turn these 4 days into building something meaningful and submitting to us, and make sure that you are registering first, then there is submissions. I'll tell you about the whole process just in a while. First of all, let's talk about the constraints, toolkits and the deliverables. Now, if you talk about the constraint, the only constraint and the major constraint is that you have to build an AI product. You have to solve some problem using AI. That is the biggest thing over here. And you have to use OpenAI Codex to build your projects. Okay, so OpenAI Codex, you can just check out the link over here. It's an amazing Codex, is an amazing AI tool that OpenAI has released, where you can go build your products and right from Codex itself. You can even deploy your projects. You can, plan your projects over there. You can build, code, test, deploy, everything you can do inside Codex itself. So please use OpenAI Codex to build your projects and bring your ideas to life. Okay. If I have to talk about the exact timeline, so the first thing is, on 15th exactly, your registrations will start. You can register as individual or a team on our platform, and the registration, after you have registered, you have to submit your project. The submissions of the project will start from 18th to 19th. 19th midnight is the last, and the submission starts from 18th. You can start working on your ideas from 15th itself. You will get 16th, 17th, 18th and 19th. 18th, 19th is weekend. Spend your time over the weekend with your friends over a Google Meet or a Zoom, or come together yourself in a single room or physically meet, and then, build your projects and then submit us till midnight 19th. Make sure midnight 19th you remember and submit it before that. Okay. Then from 20 to 23, we will take 3 days to at least judge all these submissions that we get, and then we will be selecting the top 20 teams as the winners over here, and we will be distributing them amazing prizes. We have a lot of amazing cool things for all the participants as well. I will discuss that very shortly. So 20 to 23, we will be judging and shortlisting the teams, and on 24th, we will be announcing the results on our website over here as well as on social media as well, right? All our social media platforms. Now, this is the whole timeline that you can see. It is all a 5-day event for us and a 4-day event for you to build and submit your projects. Now, who are the people who will read your code? Basically, your judges. So there is one handsome guy who is over here who is going to judge your projects. The first person, Akshay Saini. Hope you know him already. And the second is Archie, of course, from Google. And the third is Aditya Mishra from the OpenAI team. We want to keep this hackathon very unbiased. Tomorrow, you shouldn't be coming to us and saying that, oh, you have done some partiality or you have been biased with some particular teams or something. No, we have bought judges from the industry. One person, Aditya Mishra, is from OpenAI itself, and then Archie is from Google, and me. All of three will give you marks on your projects, and whosoever get the most marks will be the winner. Okay, so that's how we will decide. Now, what are the prizes and goodies and certificates? Let us discuss. So the first team, the team who will win this hackathon, will get prizes up to 5 lakh rupees, right? The worth of all the prizes is 5 lakh rupees. Each of the team member will get a 1-year ChatGPT Code Pro subscription, which is worth 1.2 lakhs for whole 1 year. ChatGPT Codex Pro subscription. It is a very amazing thing. If you get a pro subscription, that means your limits will almost never exhaust. And it is a luxury and a dream for any software engineer in today's world. Okay. Now you will also get swags and goodies. You will get access to all the Namaste Dev courses. Every course that we have on our platform, you will get exclusively all the access for free for all our courses over here on namastedev.com. You will get recognition across the platforms. So we will be doing a podcast with our winners. So you will get an opportunity and recognition over there, as well as all the winners will be recognized on all our social media platforms. And it's a big thing for everybody. Now, all the winners will get a winning certificate over here. The top team will get a winner certificate, and the other teams will get a runners up, and even the participants, each and every participant will get a participation certificate. And then there are different prizes for all the categories. For all the other participants, suppose if you are not in the top 20 teams, you will still get a verifiable participation certificate along with an exclusive discount on all our courses, which is up to 60% off. This is the max. This is more than the maximum that we ever offer. Okay. So this is like getting the deal at the cheapest price that you can. Okay. So it is like that. Now, what you can exactly build. So to give you some ideas, right? You can build anything you love to build, but to give you some ideas, here are things that you can build. You can build AI agents. You can build developer tools. You can build something into education. You can build something, a productivity, app or something. You can go creative and build something into design, writing, video, or sound. You can build something into healthcare. You can build something into finance, legal, industry, right? You can build something into, commerce, right? E-commerce or storefront, support, recommendation. There are lots of things that you can solve. And let me tell you, if you don't want to choose among any of these ideas, feel free to work on any insane or cool ideas you have. We don't have a restriction over the domain or the industry that you have to choose from. You can work on literally any idea that you have, right? If you have some crazy cool ideas that solve something, if you have some crazy cool product that you always wish to work upon, this is the time you can build it, irrespective of anything, right? Now, but suppose if you build something very random, how are we going to judge it? I will tell you the judging criteria also. Don't worry about it. But let me tell you, you are open to build anything that you would like to build, right? So it can be any web application, a tool, a script, or, anything that you would want to build, code and build, right? That you can build. So what are the judging criteria? What will be the judging criteria? We will be checking out 6 parameters over here. The first thing is originality. How original is your idea? How authentic is your idea? The second thing is the impact. What impact does your product or your idea or your project creates over the user? Your AI fluency. The fourth thing is the prototype. This prototype should be a working prototype. So if you are submitting something, make sure it is working. If you are building a web application, make sure it is working. If you are building a mobile application, make sure it is working. Right? If you can give us live link demos, that will be really very great. If you are building a mobile application, put it up on Google Drive, share us a link to the APK, right? It should be working prototype. That will get the, that will give you the biggest advantage, right? The idea should be working prototype, because we as judges would like to play with your, ideas and products and the apps that you have built. And we will be judging you majorly on the basis of how your overall app experience is. Then you also have to submit a 3-minute demo video. Now, pay a lot of attention on this. So you have to submit a 3 minutes demo video. What does that mean? See, there will be thousands of participants over here, thousands of team participating. So we cannot call each team to present their ideas manually, right? It will be a very, very tedious process, and it will take years to, judge all these candidates. So what we will be doing is you have to submit a maximum 3 minutes video. Create a 3 minutes video where you explain your idea briefly on a video. And then what you can do, you can submit a working prototype. You can just show a working prototype, working demo in that 3-minute video itself. Maximum 3-minute video is all we need. Okay. So you can also create a small pitch deck, right? You can create a slides, 4 or 5 slides or something. That's it, right? Don't create like 1,000 pages slide or something. Just create a 4 or 5 pager slide if you really need to. You can go through your idea, your thought process behind the project, and then you can briefly discuss and show us the demo of your whole idea in the video itself. Now, you don't have to make very fancy videos. It's okay. You can make very basic videos as well. We are not expecting you to be a very cool content creator over here to make very professional videos. It's completely okay if you just record your screen, right? That is completely okay if you can just record your screen and do a little voiceover over it, right? Or you can just speak whatever you are doing on that video. That is completely okay, right? We are not judging you on the basis of your pronunciation or how well the video is shot and how well the video is edited. We are not considering that. We are considering that you have to give us a demo and a pitch, right? That pitch should be really good. The content and the project should be really good. That matters us the most. Now, the last and the most important thing is creativity, my dear friends. Out of all these, factors, the most important, the maximum weight that you will get is on creativity. If your idea is very, very creative, if you have solved something very, very unique, if you have a crazy cool idea, that gets the most marks, right? So creativity is the most weighted thing over here. We are looking out for people building crazy cool stuff, crazy cool projects. And if we see something really very exciting, we would love it, right? And if we would love it, you will probably become a winner. Okay. So be creative, try to be original, try to bring new ideas to life. Since AI has come into picture, building things have become very, very easy. So any cool, crazy, creative idea you have, you can work upon it. Now, let me tell you, you have to be very careful about the submission times, right? On 19th July, by midnight, right? Exactly midnight, before 12 a.m. for the next day, the deadlines, that is the deadline, right? And it is in IST. Make sure it's in Indian Standard Time, okay? So the registration, the website will automatically close, the registration form will automatically close, and you will not be able to register and submit your projects after that. Last time we did a hackathon, there were people who were coming to us, okay, Akshay, we are just 1 minute late, we are just 5 minutes late, we are just 2 minutes late. See, we don't want to be biased with any team. We don't want to do any partiality. Please respect the timelines. You have to submit it before 19th midnight. Okay? Try to finish it even much before that, but 19th midnight is the final time. Before that, you have to submit all your ideas, right? So please don't ask us to grant you some special privileges over here. we will be very respectful of your time. Okay. And it will be healthy for the whole community who is coming up in this whole hackathon. Okay. So let's respect the time over here. Let me also tell you an important thing. The last time we did hackathon, what people did was they submitted the links which were not even accessible. So make sure that all the links that you submit are publicly accessible. What do you mean by publicly accessible? If I am opening that link on an incognito without logging into anything, I should be able to visit that. Don't submit us link where I need to request access, right? Don't do that, right? Because if you are sharing a Google Drive link, make sure that it is publicly accessible without a login. Okay? Because otherwise it makes the process of judging and evaluation very, very tough. It will be very tough for our team to request access for each and every link that you get. Please don't do that. Now, what you have to submit, there will be a form. There you have to submit multiple things. The first most important thing that you have to submit is a hosted URL. Suppose if you can share a link of a web app, working live demo, that is absolutely good. If you have a mobile application, you can just share a link of that mobile application or an APK file of your Google Drive or any working prototype, any hosted URL you have, you can share that link. Just make sure it is accessible. You have to share the link to a maximum 3-minute demo. Now, don't ask me where do you have to host the video. You can host the video anywhere. Put it on your Google Drive, put it on YouTube, put it on Vimeo, put it on any video hosting platform. We don't care. Just the link should be publicly accessible. That is the most important thing. Then you have to put all the code you have done onto a GitHub repo, share that link with us, right? GitHub links are generally public. Don't make a private repository, make a public repository, share that link with us. You have to also submit a pitch deck. This is optional. This is optional. All of these 3 things are mandatory. This pitch deck is optional. If you are using a pitch deck in your demo video, you can share that pitch deck with us. If you are not using a pitch deck, that is completely okay. You are not, we will not deduct any marks if you have not made a pitch deck. If you have made a pitch deck, if you are using a pitch deck, you can submit it. That's good to have, but it's not a hardcore make or break factor over there, right? So it's up to you how you want to present your idea in the video. If you're using a pitch deck, share it with us. If you're directly going on to the demo and explaining us, that's also completely fine. Now, there are some FAQs that we have listed. Please go onto our website for registration and check out all these FAQs also. And if you still have any doubts, my dear friends, if you still have any doubts, we have a support email, support@namastedev.com. I will jot down that email in the description also. You can reach out to us if you have any specific spatial doubts about hackathon or anything, registration, submissions, you can reach out to us. We will try to reply you as soon as possible. And when you send an email to support, just wait for a while. There is someone who will look at it and review it. We get a lot of emails, so it might take some time, but please be patient. We reply to every support email that we get. Okay, so please be patient. You can request us. You can also join our Discord community. Over there, you can ask us. You can ask us on social media also, but the best channel would be support email, right? If you have anything that you would like to ask us. If you have any crazy idea that you were looking out to build for a long time, this is your chance. You have 4 days, 2 days working, 2 days in the weekdays and two days in the weekends, 4 days with you. Over these 4 days, please try to bring your idea to life and submit it to us. Try to give your best, take out time, sit with your friends and build something amazing cool. I am sitting on the other side waiting for your submissions so that I can see what cool products you have built. Thank you so much for participating and registering. And please, I'm excited to see you all participating, even if you win or you don't win. That experience of building something will always stay with you. That product that you have built will always stay with you. Your weekend will be very productive. So please participate. I would request you all, and I wish you the best for your hackathon. Thank you so much for watching this video. Namaste.